Hi guys, welcome back to my Roblox YouTube channel. Today we're playing on my TCV Nerd Noob YouTube Roblox account. That's this thing. We're playing this rip-off Stranger Things Season 3 map. It's not fully loaded, that's why you don't see it very well. Oh frick, I just realized my mic is like super close. Let's go in here. What's in here? Ooh, piece of candy. Oh, I have a bike. Whoa. This is not a bike, I bet. Yep, it's a motorcycle. I have a motorcycle. It's not a bike, it's a motorcycle. Ah! I don't want to use my bike anymore. Really? Really? Like, actually, what the heck? Actually. You know what? My favorite character? Stop. No. My favorite character is either Hopper. You'll find out at the end of, but because it's fine. It's something. Or it's Dustin, because Dustin's awesome. Oh frick. Oh, 11's cool. I love Will. Will's cool. I like the actor. What the heck? Oh yeah, there's also Stranger Things music in the background right now. Alright, so there's a gun spawner thing. Sword. Does it just spawn anything you want? Like, let's move on to game 2. Alright, so my brother just said that he found a game that's super weird. And I'm gonna play that. What? Alright. It has Despacito in its name, so it's gotta be good. Join the server. I'm gonna be a Despacito. Level 1 or level 0. It looks like it says level 10. I have seen this character. I have not seen this game. What? My brothers are Tofu Lord. Ask your Lord to make it rain. How do I bow? I see this guy bowing. Yes, please. Dang it. Tofu Lord /e bow. Bow. Oh, dang it, I have caps lock on. E. Bow. Boom. Make it rain, Peter. Make it rain. He has clout goggles. Or whatever they're called. I think they're called clout goggles. I don't know. What happens? Aw, man. I wanted to do that. I bet it's not. Oh, it is. Oh, wait. I bet it's leave for B-Bucks. Exit for 1 Robux. Role-playing is allowed here. That's not a good sign. No. I don't want to buy Robux. I'm good. You guys can't see. Come on, just close. No. Please no. Please no. Oh, phew. God, no. No. Oh, no. Here, I'm gonna... Alright, so I got that over with. So yeah, that's... Yeah, alright, that's done. When the bus driver is fully tanked, field trip begins. To spectate box. Woo! Why am I in here? I'm trying to freaking... How do you become Tofu Lord? Give me like an I don't know or I don't care. You don't know? Deja vu. I have been in this place before. I know I'm supposed to have a car, but I don't know where to get the car. Oh, right here. Free. Deja vu. I have been in this place before. Hi, in the streets. I'm being really quiet right now. I don't know why. I should probably start talking. Hi. What's up? Let's go get this, whatever it's called. I don't know what I'm supposed to be getting right now. I'm just going up this hill. Oh, God. What the heck? Oh, God. Oh, so there's boulders now. If I jump, yeah, I don't go very high, so. Frick. Ah! That sounded weird. Ah! Brrr. Almost there. There's no more road, so. Deliver tofu. Here, and then here, so here's a pro tip. You can go out of here for free, not for 1 Robux. So yeah, there we go. Robux spent in server. Whoa, bro. Cool down, bro. I'm gonna take this car off. Cars are stupid. Oh wait, that's my Parker car. Well, it's not mine, but it's there. I've been playing this game for like so long. Alright, so this is my favorite game ever. Never mind. I take that back. Stupid. Alright. Jail Spacito. Lock me in. There we go. I'm locked. Locked in. Let me out! Peter, let me out! Oh wait, you're in here with me. Dang. Oh, bro. He's lit. Can I buy stuff? Store. Restore. Cancel. What? How did he? I think that guy's name is Pete too. Nani? Free T-Bucks in the arena. Except Thanos card. Thanos card is the most expensive one. And it's like you can't effing forever have Thanos car. Dang. Fight me, peasant. You got your sign above your head that says fight me, peasant, so. How do I fight people? How do I fart people? I was about to say something else, but I shouldn't say that. Ooh, tofu. Hey, how are ya? Dun 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 dun. Bum 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 bum. Bum dun 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 dun. Get a car, drive all the way up there. Damn it. Actually, hold on. Hold on. I might be able to do something. I might be able to get this one. Deja vu. I have been in this place before. Higher than the streets. I see it coming. I feel it coming, babe. What's over here? Sorry, I was too busy blocking out the hairs. Owie. 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 Teleport everyone to hell. Damn it. I have 3 minutes left to make this video. Let's just go into a different game. Alright, my brother's in a new game. It's 1273 down the Rockefeller Street. I've never seen this game, but I have to play it. Looking at his screen, it kind of looks weird. Because there's a bunch of him just doing orange justice.
Who here likes Fortnite? Woo! We like Fortnite, we like Fortnite, we like Fortnite, we like Fortnite!
Sorry, my brother just took the microphone and started playing it. Cause there's a song called 1273 down the Rockefeller Street, and it's playing on his thing. Hopefully you can look it up and play it while this is 1273 down the Rockefeller Street, everything. I don't know the words to this song. Yeah, but my speaker for my... Oh, frick, my thing's almost over. Actually, we might not be able to play this game. So, yeah, sorry about that. Well, I'll have to wrap up this video right now. Hope you all have a great day. Subscribe to our channel, and see you guys some other time. Bye.